So, you want to be a content creator. You've got all these crazy ideas and you know they're just going to blow up. You're going to be huge. Well, I believe you. But you can't just start creating content and expect it to go somewhere. You have to put it in front of the right people. So that's why I'm going to walk you through 4 steps that'll get you on the right track. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Sid and I've been working both full-time and freelance over the last 10 years as a social media manager and social media content creator. I'm here to share what I know so that you can share your passions with the world. Let's get right into the video. Number 1, you're going to need to define your content before you can define your audience. That means coming up with a niche. I made a video about this about a year ago, thinking about your niche and your branding. If you haven't watched it yet and you need some tips, make sure to go check that out. I have the link down below. Ashna Christ has also done a few really good videos about this. I would recommend checking her out too. Keeping your content structured around a singular niche makes it much easier to find your target audience. Having a very broad focus gets overwhelming quickly, thinking that you have to appeal to everybody. It's just not possible. It can also make it really hard for social media algorithms to figure out what your content is about and start appropriately suggesting you to the right people. You're just shooting yourself in the foot. Your next step is going to be to create an ideal viewer profile. Think about what type of person is going to be watching your content. How old are they? Do they identify as male or female? What lifestyle do they live? Visualize as much as you can, and this is going to help you to create content that resonates with those type of people. Content that's made for a 24-year-old male who likes Fortnite and nachos isn't going to necessarily resonate with a single mom in her 30s. It's just not going to be the same type of vibe, even if you're still creating content that is similar somehow. So now that you have a viewer profile, you know who you're making content for, it's time to pick a platform. TikTok is going to be really good if you're looking for that 18 to 25, late 20s demographic. It tends to be a very progressive, creative community. Twitter or Instagram is great if you're looking to find that 20s to 30s demographic. There tends to be a lot of YouTubers and Twitch streamers using these types of platforms as their personal accounts, so it's really useful to get involved in the community and find people that you can do collaborations with, leading to further exposure down the road. Facebook and Pinterest are very good if you make family-oriented content or content geared towards an older audience. Of course, this is all going to depend heavily on your target audience in particular. If, for example, your target demographic is late 20s-something males who like gaming clips, Twitter might not be the best option for you, even though in that age group, a lot of people are on Twitter. People in your community like watching video content. Twitter is not very good for that. So check out Instagram. You'll have much better success over there. Use these things to figure out where your particular audience is going to be most active. So now that you've picked a platform, how do you reach people? Well, there are 2 types of discoverability on most platforms. That is search-based discoverability and social discoverability. So search-based discoverability includes things like including popular keywords in your tweets and things that are going to make you pop up in search results, or having hashtags in your bio on Instagram, for example, will cause you to pop up as a suggestion when people search for that particular hashtag. Social discoverability is all about getting involved in conversations in the communities that your content niche focuses on. Follow some large accounts that have good engagement and get involved in those popular threads generated by their content. This is an amazing way to get your name out there as long as you're being genuine and not coming off like you're trying to upstage the original creator. Make sure to figure out which social and search-based discoverability options are available on your platform and use them to your advantage. If you'd like to find more content about how to do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Twitter and TikTok. I post daily content related to algorithms, social media growth hacks. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what you thought in the comments below. Have a good one.